Uncle, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Come back. Why are you rushing? How are you?
I'm fine, Uncle.
You're rushing. What's wrong? I know. Come back. What's wrong with your back?
My back.
Yes.
It's spoiled. This thing.
It's what?
Spoiled.
Oh, it has spoiled.
Yes, it has spoiled. So
I see.
Just fold it like this.
Oh. When did I buy this bag for you?
Yesterday.
Oh, yesterday.
Yes, you bought it for me yesterday.
Oh, this is the bag I bought for you yesterday. Wow.
I don't know. It's the people that do it. I don't know.
Oh, it's from the manufacturers.
Yes.
Oh, when are you writing your exams?
My exam?
Yes.
My exam is tomorrow.
Have you read?
Yes, I have read now.
You're prepared?
Yes, I prepare.
Okay, come back. Don't run. Come back. Come and read.
I should read.
Yes, come on.
What?
I want you to read this.
Okay, let me drop my.
Don't drop it. Come. You can't run.
I'm not running now.
I know you are not running.
I want to drop my bag.
Don't need to drop it. You hold it like that. No issue at all. Hold it. Now take this.
Yeah?
I wrote something that I want you to read it out. Take it.
I should read this paper.
Yes, there's a sentence there. I want you to read it out. You're prepared for your exam. Anyhow, you want to flip it.
Yes, I'm prepared for my exam.
I know. Read.
I should read it. Yes. To be a champion.
Perfect. You're doing well. Continue.
You must first work on your character.
What?
Your character.
It's character. Character. Yeah.
No, the champion. The pronounce is a cha. Then the character. This one should be character. Okay. There is no care there.
Continue, my friend. You've not started. You're sweating already.
No, I'm not sweating.
Continue.
I'm not sweating.
I know.
And your Desiree to.
What is Desiree?
Desiree.
Where did you see Desiree? Desire. Yes.
But uncle, there is no Z and there is
listen.
No AY.
Continue. It's desire. Continue.
Your desire to prosper is in your tongue.
Why are you looking at me?
Tongue.
You say this tongue. Will you get out from this place, my friend?
So, madam, did anybody see you when you were entering?
No.
Okay. Did anybody see you when you were leaving?
No.
Okay. So you were not there?
I was there, but nobody saw me.
Madam, if I ask you in court, your answer is you were not there.
The law.
No evidence.
But are you teaching me to lie? I cannot lie.
Okay. First time offender. Madam, you know your offense is federal offense. You know what federal offense means?
I know.
Let me explain to you. Madam, when you do prison for federal offense, you will do that prison to the extent that when you are done, you will do photo shoot. Madam, you will do that prison to the extent that Asha will see you and call you prisoner to Mr. Jailer. Madam, you will do that prison. You will stay so long, you will become a fairy tale to young children.
The law.
Let me ask you one more time, madam. Were you there or you were not there?
I was not there.
That's okay. So your testimony now is
Hello. Fine girl. Hello. Fine girl. Hello.
Where's your stress?
Bro, you know see our voice.
My brother, I saw their voice be.
Papa, Neighbor, no you be that.
Welcome,
How you
neighbor.
doing?
How you doing?
They're fine now. Just returned from.
You know we carry 2 nylon. It be like you go party. The way you dress,
I
safe,
go
you
occasion.
fine, no.
Yes, so now occasion.
Na rice.
Alright, so.
Take away.
So now one of our meeting people.
So I don't they look they see the shape of the spoon they come up for the nylon bag. I say that thing will be something where they fit chop.
What if I give you go collect?
If you give me, I go chop now. At least na 2 and they even the see so safe. And it go be better rice so.
I'm not fine where I arrange.
Come here, I just sit down here since I dey hope on. I want on my friend Philip. I call him. I call him, he no pick my call. So I can't text him, tell him say make he help me with small thing because I need get one. I need at least. I no get cloth, even if na one polo when go dash me or find me small money make I buy. I don't need my black polo. I don't wear am so tey. I no fit wear am now. They hang am. I don't wash am so tey. The black don't turn to ash. So now him make I just say make I just reach out to him. Make he for find me small thing sef. I don't know say. I don't miss him call o. Don't worry, keep your rice. I don't want them again. I don't want again. I don't miss 5 missed call. Jesus. When? Allah, no. Leave am, no worry. I don't want again. I buy first. I'll collect them now from you. You can't begin to make them they look like say me I dey beg you.
No, be when I come back.
I don't want again. Philip go come through for me. I call him back. Before Philip call me 5 times, so it's important. That means he won't answer me. Don't they ring? Hello, Philip. No vex. My phone been there.
I don't call you since you know the pick call.
Now what me I want tell you? No vex. My phone been there silent.
Your phone they silent. You don't get money. They put your phone for silent. Who won't disturb you?
Which one be I no get money? I put phone for silent. I make you the sharp for public.
Don't worry. The money when I won't give you, I don't give Polycarp already.
Why you go do like that now?
Now I won't divide and give you now.
No,
Polycarp already. No verse.
Why you go give Polycarp now? How much you give him?
5K.
5,000.
Now 5K I give Polycarp. No worry. You'll go collect them from Polycarp. No worry. That one no concern.
Okay.
You go put phone for silence when you don't get money.
So no one even remain for you, and even na 1,000 naira. And I never chop. Neighbor already. No vex nah.
Dilo. Omo, you dey try, Dilo. Omo, that justice woman, she really give you back to back. Now, why you dey read Bible?
Oshukoru,
Dilo.
Jesus is coming soon. Please pay my money.
Dilo, I'm going to pay.
You see, until the Lord meet us here, my colleagues, they be see me, they are laughing. You see that I'm funny? It's you have told me to laughing stuff.
Business has not really been going smooth. It has been rough lately.
Oshukoru, are you not into fraud?
Allegedly now, I'm innocent until proven guilty.
Oshukoru, have you been reading my textbook?
Dilo, I have to find solutions to my problem. This one that you soon leave me.
Oshukoru, I've said it. We have been on this case so long. We are becoming friends. See, by the time I submit evidence against you to the Honorable Justice, you understand the
Dilo, I cannot believe this.
Okay. No, Shebi, you know the law.
You know that's breach of professional ethics. 2, blackmail, an offense that is punishable under the section 408 of the Nigerian Criminal Code. Oh yeah, now, be going.
God damn. Wow.
Told you, I'll pay your money.
See, you have my account number? OPay.
Yeah.
Life is okay, let's go. Wow.
Now well done, I want back.
You want back?
Which side? Now afro I want back.
Now 200.
200. For my area for that place where they live before. Now 500 naira.
Which side you call them again?
Yes, now afro.
Okay, afro now 150. Now 150.
Afro 150. Oh yeah.
I don't want me to disturb me. No, they shake. That's why they tire.
Hey! God.
Hey, you say now who you want, Papa?
Wetin be this? Jesus.
I'm a dancer.
Who be this bastard?
Fine, yeah, I just see you from my area.
Which kind of bad market is this one? What is this one like this?
Wait, this your color no side. I would like to the package.
Okay, come on for you.
Which one is to make a come on for you?
See, I go change that for you now, like this, like come on for you. Okay, come on for you first. Come on for you now.
Now you are the follow talk.
Shall I swear for you first? No offense. Shall I swear?
No, you don't want me. You don't know me for street. I dey follow you the talk.
Hey, no problem. Quiet, but I can't get for you.
Jesus.
God have mercy upon us. I'll tap you. If I dey talk quiet.
You know what happened?
What have I done with myself? What have I done with myself?
It is smoky book.
Hey! I hear me, take me, back me.
You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing good. You are doing lunatic encyclopedia pretaniculation of Jajatica.
Alright, thank you. Sing. How are you?
You know, see, I be ready.
Oh, I cannot lie to you. This is a very difficult case.
Go do, no worry. May your mind day.
It's everywhere. Slapping an officer. You say that you didn't know he was an officer?
Their papa, a light time, yet come on smoke.
Hey, you are still in custody.
Lawyer, you dey fear.
Anyway,
lawyer, they fear.
You have to be taking things easy.
I go try, lawyer.
Yes,
try. Speak English. You be lawyer.
Okay. I've spoken to the inspector. Now, we are looking at settling this thing outside court. We look at settling it amicably.
Lawyer say amicably. You dey make I laugh, the law. This is the problem I have with the colonial mentality. I'm an African man. I will not bow. I will not kowtow to the dictatorial whims and caprices of the oppressives. Very soon I will talk say that they oppress you. Now why they go they oppress you now? When I no go fit stand up for waiting day right. But I'm here to open your eyes. Make una see how they do things.